Planking is often hailed as the ultimate abdominal exercise, and for good reason. But did you know it's so much more than just a core workout? It's a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. From your glutes and hamstrings to your shoulders and arms, every part of your body works together when you're holding a plank. Now, did you know that planking for just 60 seconds a day can increase your core strength by up to 20% in just 6 weeks? Now that's a fact that will make you want to hit the floor. Let's dive deeper into this. The benefits of planking reach far beyond muscle toning. It's a powerhouse move that can significantly improve your posture and balance. You see, when you plank, you're essentially training your body to resist the force of gravity. This forces your back, chest, and neck to align, which in turn improves your overall posture. That's not all. Planking can also give your metabolism a nice little boost. Yes, you heard that right. By engaging multiple muscles at once, planking increases your heart rate, which helps burn more calories. This means that even when you're sitting at your desk or lounging on the couch later, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate. Now let's talk about back pain, a common complaint in today's sedentary world. Planking can be a real game changer here. It strengthens your back muscles without putting undue stress on your spine, helping alleviate and prevent back pain. And did you know that planking can increase your flexibility too? While it might not look like much of a stretch, holding a plank actually lengthens and stretches all your posterior muscles, from your shoulders down to your calves. We've established that planking is a full-body workout that improves posture and balance, boosts metabolism, reduces back pain, and increases flexibility. And the best part? It only takes 60 seconds of your day. Now that's what we call a powerful exercise. So, are you ready to learn the proper way to plank? Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Now, planking might look easy, but doing it right requires more than just holding your body off the ground. Let's start from the ground up. Your elbows play a pivotal role in planking. They should be positioned directly under your shoulders to create a strong, stable base. Your hands should be flat on the ground, fingers spread apart. This will help distribute your weight evenly and reduce strain on your wrists. Next up, we have the alignment of the head and spine. You want to keep your head and neck neutral, in line with your spine. Picture a straight line running from the top of your head down to your heels. That's the alignment you're aiming for. No sagging hips or piked bottoms. Keep your body as straight as a plank of wood. Get it? Planking. Now let's talk about the legs and feet. Keep your legs straight and close together. This increases the challenge to your core. Your feet should be hip-width apart, balancing on the balls of your feet. Remember, your legs and glutes play a key role in maintaining your form, so keep them engaged. Speaking of engagement, let's not forget the star of the show, your core. Engage your abs as if you're about to be punched in the stomach. This keeps your body rigid and helps protect your lower back. Lastly, but certainly not least, is your breathing. It's easy to hold your breath when you're focusing on maintaining your form, but don't. Keep your breath steady and controlled. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This helps keep your body oxygenated and your mind focused. Getting the form right might take a bit of practice, and that's okay. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to hold a proper plank for a shorter duration than a sloppy one for longer. You're building strength, endurance, and discipline, one plank at a time. But as with any exercise, there are common mistakes you should avoid to prevent injuries and to maximize your results. Now, let's dive into some common planking mistakes and how to correct them. First off, sagging hips. This mistake can strain your lower back and reduce the effectiveness of the plank. The solution? Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine a glass of water balancing on your back. You wouldn't want it to spill, would you? Next up, we have hiked hips. This is when your butt is in the air, making your body form an inverted V. This mistake takes the tension off your core, defeating the purpose of the plank. To correct it, lower your hips until your body is parallel to the floor. Now let's talk about misplaced elbows. If your elbows are too far in front or behind you, it can strain your shoulders and reduce the effectiveness of the plank. Place your elbows directly under your shoulders to keep the tension where it should be, on your core. Looking up or down is another common mistake. This can strain your neck and misalign your spine. Keep your gaze about a foot in front of your hands to maintain a neutral neck and spine. Another common pitfall is holding your breath. Remember, your muscles need oxygen to work effectively, so breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. This will help you maintain your plank for longer. Last but not least, forgetting to engage your core. If your core isn't engaged, you're not getting the full benefits of the plank. So, think about pulling your belly button in towards your spine. This will engage your core and make your plank more effective. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to mastering the perfect plank. Let's keep going to discover the power of a 1-minute daily plank in our next segment. Remember, practice makes perfect and every step counts towards your health and wellness journey. So, are you up for a challenge? How about incorporating a 1-minute plank into your daily routine for the next 30 days? Intriguing, isn't it? A challenge that not only tests your physical strength but also your mental fortitude. And the best part? All it takes is 60 seconds of your day, every day, for the next 30 days. Let's get started. First things first, don't fret if you can't hold a plank for a whole minute right off the bat. It's perfectly okay to start with what you can handle, even if it's just for 10 seconds. The goal here is to gradually build up to holding a plank for a full minute. It's a journey, not a race. Next, set a timer. You might be tempted to count the seconds in your head, but trust me, when you're in the plank position, your sense of time can get a bit skewed. So let a timer do the counting for you. Now remember, it's not about how long you can hold a plank, but rather how well you can hold it. The focus should always be on maintaining the correct form. Ensure your body is in a straight line from your head to your heels, your elbows are directly under your shoulders, and your core is engaged. And finally, consistency. Yes, there will be days when you'll want to skip the plank, when those 60 seconds will feel like the longest minute of your life. But resist the urge to give up. Stick with it, and you'll surely see and feel the difference. Your body will become stronger, your posture will improve, and you'll feel more confident. And the best part? You'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you've accomplished something truly challenging. So, are you ready to take on the 1-minute plank challenge? Let's make a pact. For the next 30 days, let's plank together for just 1 minute a day. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with it and you'll surely see and feel the difference. So, what have we learned today about the power of planking? Well, we've dived deep into the world of planking, a simple yet incredibly effective exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. We've explored the myriad health benefits that planking brings to the table, from strengthening your core, improving your posture, enhancing your balance, to even reducing back pain. Planking is a powerhouse of an exercise that targets multiple muscle groups all at once. And the best part? All it takes is just 1 minute a day. We've also learned the importance of maintaining the correct form while planking. Remember, your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Your elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders and your core must be engaged. Keeping your body aligned and your muscles engaged is the key to reaping the full benefits of this exercise. We've talked about the common mistakes to avoid while planking. Raising your hips too high, letting your back sag, or holding your breath. These are all pitfalls that can compromise the effectiveness of your planks and even potentially cause injury. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. It's better to hold a proper plank for a shorter amount of time than to hold an incorrect one for longer. Last but not least, we've issued the 1-minute plank challenge. Committing to hold a plank for 1 minute every day can bring about significant improvements in your fitness levels and overall health. It's a small commitment with a big payoff. And who knows? You might find yourself pushing beyond that 1-minute mark before you know it. So there you have it, an in-depth look at the power of planking. It's a fantastic way to improve your fitness, your health, and your overall well-being. And it's so simple. You can start right now, right where you are. So, are you ready to transform your body 1 plank at a time? The floor is yours.